Hey, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme Device to ZTE Blade A53 Pro. Firstly, go into Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, do exactly the same on both smartphones. First of all, tap on I agree. Secondly, click on Confirm. Then Continue and Allow. Now on the other one, I agree. Confirm. Continue, Allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you wish to. Then close it by hitting OK. Now tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Realme and receive next to Send at the bottom of ZTE. Wait couple of seconds and also on ZTE click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Now click on Close this window and go back to Realme. You can finally tap on all of those categories located at the top, and from them choose files that you wish to transfer. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected located at the bottom. Then choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on ZTE. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and select Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!